Ever wondered how a simple molecule can lead to the complex entity that is a human being? It's a journey that spans billions of years and traverses the realms of chemistry, biology, and anthropology. Welcome to the extraordinary saga of life from genes to humans. In the beginning, there was nothing, a void. But then, about 4 billion years ago, life began. Not with a bang, but with a molecule. This molecule was deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA as it's more commonly known. DNA is the blueprint of life, carrying the instructions needed for an organism to develop, survive, and reproduce. These instructions are written in a chemical code like the letters in a book. The story they tell is one of evolution and adaptation. Once DNA was established, life began to take shape. Single-celled organisms were the first to appear on the scene. They were simple, but they had all the necessary parts for life. These cells divided and multiplied, and soon the Earth was teeming with them. Over time, these single-celled organisms began to evolve into more complex creatures. They developed new ways to survive and reproduce. They formed colonies, shared resources, and eventually gave rise to multicellular organisms. This was the dawn of a new era in the history of life. Multicellular organisms had more cells to work with, which meant they could develop specialized parts for different tasks. This led to an explosion of diversity, with creatures evolving into all sorts of shapes and sizes. Among these myriad species, one stood out: Homo sapiens. Humans are unique in many ways, but one of the most significant is our intelligence. Our brains are larger and more complex than those of any other species. This has allowed us to develop tools, build societies, and explore the cosmos. Our genes are the result of billions of years of evolution. They carry the lessons of our ancestors, the trials and tribulations they faced, and the adaptations they made. They are the story of our species, written in a language that only life can understand. The story of life from genes to humans is one of a constant change and adaptation. It's a story of survival, of overcoming challenges, and of making the most of what we have. It's a story that continues to unfold as we continue to learn and evolve. Life from genes to humans is a testament to the power of evolution. It's a story that reminds us of our place in the natural world and of the incredible journey that brought us here. It's a story that will continue to inspire and intrigue us for generations to come. So next time you look in the mirror, remember the incredible journey that brought you here. Remember the billions of years, the countless generations, and the endless adaptations. Remember the story of life from genes to humans.